Today, we decode what OpenAI CEO Sam Altman really warned businesses about. It's not just a note on AI, it's a strategic ultimatum that could define which companies survive and which vanish. In a closed-door talk with top executives, Altman didn't just talk about ChatGPT. He warned that most companies are preparing for the wrong kind of future. They're trying to add AI on top of their current systems, instead of rebuilding those systems around intelligence itself. The old model, hire more people, expand operations, grow revenue. The new model, orchestrate intelligence at scale, human and machine. That's not automation. That's something else entirely. It's the shift from people scaling to intelligence orchestration. Altman says companies that treat AI like an add-on tool will fall behind. Why? Because AI isn't just another productivity booster. It changes the physics of business, time, speed, and leverage. It's like electricity in the Industrial Revolution. Those who adapted ruled. Let's get specific. Altman predicts that entire business functions, HR, customer support, operations, will be rebuilt from scratch by people who understand LLMs natively, not legacy departments, not consultants, but a new breed of founders. This doesn't mean replacing everyone with bots. It means redesigning how decisions are made. In the same way factories rethought logistics in the 20th century, companies today must rethink how information flows, with AI as the nervous system. Here's the brutal part. Altman says if your team isn't actively experimenting with AI across departments now, you may already be obsolete, not next year, not next decade, now. He foresees a future where some companies generate 10 to 100 times more value per employee simply by mastering orchestration. Same headcount, exponential intelligence. It comes from leaders who can redesign workflows and leverage AI as a core strategic axis. So what's the real warning? If you're not reinventing your company around intelligence, you're just decorating a sinking ship. Altman's message is clear. Entropic systems decay. AI isn't just an edge, it's the architecture of the future. If you're a founder, strategist, or builder, this isn't about chasing trends, it's about survival. Reimagine your company around intelligence or risk becoming irrelevant. The clock's already ticking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.